Hello, welcome to my channel. Here we cover is math paper. Right now, paper one, pure mathematics one, and it is from October, November 2024. So we have already solved many questions. Let's jump on question number nine because question eight we have already solved in previous videos. Okay, this is question number nine. Okay, the equation that applies is given by this equation. Find the set of values of x for which y is decreasing as x increases. Okay, you can see this is a polynomial of third order, and when the x cube coefficient is negative, so when x is increasing, it is going to be down. So it has something like this, roughly. Okay, so you can see that there is a range of values of x. When x is increasing, y is decreasing, right? So we have to find these range. And of course, when x is increasing and y is decreasing, in this range, the derivative is negative. The slope is negative, the derivative is negative. So all what we have to do, we have to differentiate this expression and find the values of x for which the derivative is negative. Okay, I hope it's clear. So let's find the derivative dy by dx equal, when I differentiate this thing, it's going to be 0 plus 5 plus 12x and minus 9x squared, right? Okay, now let me try to find the root for this equation. So that I want to find where it is 0. Okay, so I will put it equal to 0, and if I multiply with negative, it's going to be 9x squared minus 12x minus 5 equal to 0. And this expression, 9x squared minus 12x minus 5, this can be factored out as 3x minus 5 and 3x plus 1. Okay, I hope you can do the factorization. This is pretty straightforward. And either from here we find out that x equals 5 by 3 and minus 1 by 3. These are the two roots, right? So at these two values, the derivative is 0. So the slope is 0. Okay, so let me talk about this is minus 1.1 by 3 and 5 by 3 is somewhere here, right? So at this point, on this point, the derivative is 0. Okay, what about in this range, right? In this range, derivative is positive or negative. Let's see. The derivative has to be same everywhere. I mean, not same means the sign has to be same, right? So if I put x equal to 0 in this expression, you can see the derivative is going to be when I put x equal to 0, it's going to be 5, right? It means in this range, the derivative is positive. Okay, if I put something after that, so 5 by 3, it is, if I put x equal to 2, so it's more than 5 by 3, right? So if x equal to 2, then dy by dx at x equal to, okay, let me do the first thing. When x equal to 0, it came out to be minus, sorry, yeah, this was the derivative when it is 5, so which is positive, right? In the same way, if I put dy by dx when x equal to 2, so what is it? Okay, this will be 5 plus 12 times 2 is 24 minus 2 square is 4, 36, right? So this is going to be 29 minus 36 is going to be a negative number, right? So it means in this range, the derivative is negative. In the same way, if I put anything here, so if I put negative 1, for example, so what is the dy by dx when x is equal to negative 1? So you can see 5 and negative 1 times 12 is negative 12 and negative 1 square is 1, so this is negative 9. So again, you can see it comes out to be a negative number. So here it's also negative, right? So you can see that in this range, when x is less than minus 1 by 3, and when x is more than 5 by 3, in this range, in this When x is increasing, y is decreasing, or the derivative is negative. So the answer of this question, find the value of x for which y decreases, x increases. So it is x less than minus 1 by 3 or x more than 5 by 3. So this is the answer of this question. Okay, I hope it's clear. Now let's go to the question number 9b. It is given that y equal to 9x plus k is a tangent to the curve. Find the value of the constant k. Okay, you see, if I compare this equation y equal to 9x plus k with this equation y is equal to mx plus c, the standard form of the straight line equation, we can see that the slope of this line is 9, right? So this tangent line, or this is straight line, it has a slope of 9. The y-intercept is not clear yet, right? Okay, so we have to see that the given curve, at what point the slope is 9. Makes sense or no? We know that it has a shape something like this, right? So somewhere the slope has to be 9 between these two values, right? So we need to find what value of x, at what value of x the slope is 9, right? So if at that point these two, I mean this is straight line and the curve, given curve, they have the same slope, so it is going to be tangent to this point. Make sense? Okay. So I would like to see that the derivative, at what value of x the derivative is equal to 9, right? Remember we find the derivative dy by dx as 5 plus 12x minus 9x squared. So this must this must be equal to 9. Okay, so if I simplify minus 9x squared, 12 plus 12x, and 9 can become negative 9, so minus 4 equal to 0. If I multiply with negative, it's going to be 9x squared and minus 12x plus 4 equal to 0. Okay, so let me try to find the values of x. So x equal to, if I use the quadratic formula, minus b plus minus under the root b squared, so 144, minus 4 into a into c. C is again 4, divided by 2a, so 18, right? You see this part, 4 for the 16, 16 times 9, uh, 6, 9, yeah, so this is 144. So this will be cancelled, right? So the answer is 12 by 18, which means 2 by 3, right? Okay, so when x is 2 by 3, at that point, the derivative is 9, which means the slope of this curve is 9, and it has the same slope as this straight line. So this is the point where the tangent, this straight line is tangent to the curve, right? Okay, if we try to find out what's the value of y when x is 2 by 3. Okay, so given the curve was given by 4 plus 5x, I will do 5 times x is 2 by 3, and plus 6x squared. 6 into x squared will be 4 by 9, and minus 3x cubed. So 8 over 27. Okay, 8 over 27. So when I simplified all these things, it came out to be 82 over 9. Okay, you can confirm that these things are simplified to 82 over 9. It means when x is 2 by 3, y is 82 by 9. So this is the point on the curve where this line is tangent to the curve. Okay, okay. Now if this point is on the line, it's on the line. So the equation of the line is y equals 9x plus k. So let me put this point on this equation. So y is going to be 82 over 9 equal 9 times x to this 2 by 3 and plus k. Okay, so from here we can calculate the value of k. So k equals 82 by 9 and minus 6. Am I right? 82 by 9 minus 6, and this comes out to be 28 by 9. Okay, so this is the value of k, which will give this straight line tangent to the given curve. Okay, I hope this is all clear, and I hope you understand the logic behind each step. If you ever have any question, you can always ask me in the comment section. By the way, if you like this video, if these videos are helpful to you, then please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.